Okay, we're going to add in 2 good sized chunks of meat here into the processor. Like that. Good sized teaspoon of dried mustard. Teaspoon of garlic mist. Teaspoon of paprika. Teaspoon of chili powder. Teaspoon of celery salt. Half teaspoon of onion salt. Spoon of sour cream, and that'd be it. Okay. Need 1 egg. Aftertaste you're looking for. It don't look too entertaining. It looks kind of like I don't know. That's what a patties look like. We'll come back when I can get ready to flip them. Let them cook on that side for a minute. Bread, make it sure it's gonna be good and crispy here. See a little longer. Make the sandwiches. Make a good sandwich here. Take one on this one. Well, that's about enough. I don't want it too thick. Some tomatoes on it. Both of them. A little extra on that one because that's kind of a small tomato. Right there we go, right there. There's that bun right there. There's that one right there. Right here, this one right here. And look at that. Ain't that a beautiful bun right there? Get that plastic fork out of the way. That is beautiful. We're going to do a good taste test on that. This burger, we're going to do a taste test on this. It looks delicious right there. Look at that. Nice good cheese. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, that is delicious. That is delicious. That is one good burger. I appreciate you watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you do, hit that notification up above where you can get all my notification videos. Thank y'all for watching. Y'all have a great day.